Imagine a future where locks become obsolete, replaced by advanced biometric authentication systems that can identify individuals with unprecedented accuracy. In the world of emerging technologies, innovations are constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. One of the most significant advancements in recent years has been the development of advanced biometric authentication systems. These systems use a variety of methods to identify individuals, including facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, and iris scanning. But the most fascinating aspect of these systems is their potential to make traditional locks obsolete. Imagine a future where you no longer need to worry about carrying keys or remembering complex passwords. Instead, you can simply use your unique biometric signature to gain access to your home, car, or office. This may sound like science fiction, but it's already a reality in many parts of the world. For example, some companies are already using facial recognition technology to authenticate employees and grant them access to secure areas. But how does this technology work, and what are the implications for our daily lives? To understand the mechanism behind advanced biometric authentication, let's take a closer look at the science behind it. It's based on the unique patterns found in our faces, fingerprints, and irises, which can be used to identify individuals with unprecedented accuracy. But that's not the strangest part. The technology is also capable of detecting subtle changes in our biometric signatures. This means that even if you try to impersonate someone else, the system will be able to detect the difference and prevent unauthorized access. But what about the impact of this technology on our daily lives? For one, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about security and access control. Imagine being able to grant access to your home or office to trusted individuals without having to give them a key or password. It's a game changer for industries such as healthcare, finance, and government, where security is paramount. However, it also raises important questions about privacy and data protection. Who has access to our biometric data, and how is it being used? These are questions that we need to answer as we move forward with this technology. In conclusion, advanced biometric authentication systems have the potential to make traditional locks obsolete. But as we continue to develop and implement this technology, we need to be mindful of the implications for our daily lives. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.